I'm safe, Dad. I'm not in it. Oh, these barriers don't bang at all. Right. Don't... Oh, Dad! Dad! I can see number 1. There it is. I see it. Don't know about number 3. Wait. Is number 3 down? I can't see number 3. Right, I'm gonna come back. Wait a minute, I might get a little bit of info on the crossing whilst waiting for the train. Dad, if you come and look to the right, you'll see number 1. No cars are coming either. Do you think I should probably feel the light to see how warm it is? Then why not come to where I am and you'll see Strensall number 1? Dad? Dad, aren't you going to come and... Oh, there's a motorbike behind me. There it is.